9th of February 2023. Mumbai has a very good news. The bullet train, the last leg of the project, is cleared by Bombay High Court yesterday, and the acquisition of land of Godrej and Boys at Vikhroli, the plot, the Bombay High Court has refused to set aside the said acquisition, and Justice R.D. Dhanuka and M.M. Sathe observed that there are no irregularity in the acquisition and public interest would prevail over private interest, the benches observed. Now Godrej has challenged the award of compensation of rupees 264 crores by the Deputy Collector on September 15, 1922 for acquiring 9.69 acres of land which belongs to the company. This acquisition was for Mumbai Ahmedabad Bullet Train project. The company claimed that amount is fraction of initial offering of total 572 crores.